Dumpster rental service in Barryville, New York. Handling a big cleanup or renovation doesn't have to be complicated. At NextGen Dumpster Rental, we make waste removal simple and stress-free. We provide prompt, professional dumpster rental service in Barryville, New York, designed to fit the unique needs of every customer. From residential projects to commercial site cleanups, we're your go-to team in the area. We take pride in offering dependable service with flexible scheduling and various dumpster sizes. Our dumpsters are built to handle everything from household junk to construction debris. We know your time is valuable, so we ensure on-time delivery and swift pickup every time. Our team lives and works in the same communities we serve, and we're passionate about helping Barryville stay clean and organized. When you rent from us, you're not just getting a dumpster, you're getting a partner who cares about your project's success. We walk you through the entire process and ensure you have everything you need from start to finish. With transparent pricing, you won't have to worry about surprise charges or hidden fees. We value honesty and clear communication. Whether you're downsizing, remodeling, or managing a job site, we're here to support you. Call NextGen Dumpster Rental at 845-456-0335 to reserve your dumpster. We're here to deliver dependable service and make your project hassle-free from beginning to end.